Welcome back to my channel. It's Gerald on your screen with another video. If you're new to this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe icon. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and comment below. Ensure to share this video to your friends, to your family, and to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video from me. You are welcome back to this channel. Do well to give this video a big old thumbs up, share, comment, and without further ado, let's get right into this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to properly take care of or treat back acne, chest acne and butt acne using just two simple materials or simple items that you can get from your grocery store. These are always available items that you can get in the stores, in the supermarket. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to treat back acne, butt acne and chest acne using just these two items. They are super affordable and easy to find. So if you're interested in learning how to treat back acne, chest acne and butt acne, do well to keep on watching. The first ingredient I will recommend for treating your butt acne is Dettol. This is Dettol. Dettol is very good for treating your back acne, your butt acne and your chest acne. Butt acne, these are acne that happen on your butt. Normally the acne that we are all conversant with are the face acne, but some people suffer butt acne and back acne and chest acne, and those acne are usually very small, like very small acne. They're not compared to the cystic acne that one suffers on the face. They're like very small acne pimples that when you burst or when you press it, you're going to get something like a dark solid material out of it. This Dettol can be used for a good number of things. Alright, it is an antiseptic and also a disinfectant. Alright, Dettol is a safe and gentle antiseptic and can also be used as a household disinfectant. Alright, so in the household we can use this as a disinfectant while trying to wash the restroom, while trying to scrub the bathroom, just to clean, also to clean your tabletops, your countertops. It's a good disinfectant to keep everywhere safe and clean. All right, and it's also an antiseptic that can be used on the skin to take care of various skin issues, various skin conditions. Many people use this Dettol by diluting it in their bath water and using it to bath their body. It takes care of skin condition, any bad skin condition, eczema, rashes and various skin issues or skin defaults. But today we'll be looking at how to use this Dettol antiseptic to take care of acne problem on our butt, on our chest and on our back. All right, so I'll be telling you how to do this, how to use this Dettol to take care of that. So guys, Dettol liquid antiseptic disinfectant is a proven effective concentrated antiseptic disinfectant that kills bacteria and provides protection against bacteria which can cause infection and illness. Like I earlier said, this is what this Dettol does. It can be used for a gentle antiseptic wound cleansing and disinfection and antiseptic skin cleansing. All right, it can use to take care of your wounds, your injury, and also you can use to take care of your skin. So I'll be telling you how to use this to take care of your skin, to take care of that back acne, the rashes, the chest acne, the butt acne. That is what we're going to be doing today. So I'll be showing you guys the procedure on how to use this for that purpose. This is what the Dettol looks like. This is what it looks like, and then I've been using this one already. You open the cup. When you open the cup, you take a cupful and dilute it in very little amount of water. Maybe the water you'll be diluting to be half of this cup, all right, just half of this cup. That's what you're using to dilute it. And then you sprinkle the liquid, the diluted Dettol, on your sponge, your brush for having your bath, and you're going to use it to, concentrate on those areas that you're having the problem. You're going to use the brush or the sponge or whatever you use to have your bath. You sprinkle the diluted Dettol on the sponge and use it to scrub that area you're having problem. So if you're having chest acne, you're battling chest acne, you use it to scrub your chest very well. Use it to scrub your chest very well. All right, use it to scrub, and this should be done when you're having your bath. All right, you should do this when you're having your bath. After having your bath actually, and you're still in the bathroom, you do this quickly. If it's on your butt, you use it the same method, just dilute it in just little amount of water and sprinkle it on your sponge or your brush for bathing, and use it to scrub your butt, use it to scrub your back, anywhere you have any of those acne that you want to take care of. So that is how you should use it, and do this after having your bath. When you're done washing your body and rinsing it and patting it dry, just dilute this and use it to scrub that area. Let it be there for 5 minutes, then you rinse off. Do not wash off again, just rinse off, let water pass through that area of your body, and you pat it dry. All right, and it's going to give you best results. All right, you should start seeing results from around the 4th to 5th day, but keep on using this. All right, the results are not speedily, but they are certain to occur. They're certain to happen. It doesn't happen under 1 day or 2 days, because everybody's skin type is different. So what will work for me in 1 day might not work for you in 1 week. So you just have to have that at the back of your mind. But just keep on using this. Start the ritual today if you're having any of those problems on your chest, on your butt, and on your back. Start using this today. So now, when you have rinsed off the Dettol with water and you're back in your room and trying to get dressed, get ready, I'll advise that you use a second ingredient, which is your Vaseline. This is Blue Seal Vaseline, and you guys know how I love this Vaseline a lot on this channel. As you can see, I'm almost out of Vaseline, but guys, I have to keep it real with you guys. All right, I've been using this Vaseline, and that is the truth. So this is my Blue Seal Vaseline. So you need to go on that area with your Vaseline to moisturize. All right, use the Vaseline to moisturize that area. Yeah, so if you don't moisturize that area, it's going to look so dry, and it might even hurt you because you have used a brush and a very strong antiseptic on that area of your body. So you need to use the Vaseline to moisturize that area. You can also use your shea butter if you want. Shea butter has the property of the power of healing the skin. It has properties of healing the skin and make the skin look moisturized and rejuvenated. So you can either use your shea butter or your Vaseline. This is what I have, and this is what I use for that problem. So these are the 2 ingredients you need to take care of your back acne, your chest acne, and your butt acne. All right, so it's very simple. Just do this every day. Do this ritual every day. Around the first 5 days of using this Dettol to treat your acne, you might likely notice your skin is peeling. It's going to peel, and that is a proof that the Dettol is working on your body. That's the proof that the Dettol is doing its work. All right, so do not be scared if you notice your skin peeling. It is all normal. Keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, and you will see that acne will be gone. You will notice that it has started to fade. It is starting to look like skin. You don't see those bumps around there. All right, so don't be scared if your skin starts peeling. That is it doing its work on your body. So always make sure that you apply a moisturizer so that area of your body doesn't dry out. Guys, that's pretty much of what I want to inform you guys about in this video. Do well to try it out if you have any problem ranging from your chest acne, your butt acne, and your back acne. All right, I did not bring in the face acne because I noticed that the skin of every human the facial skin of every human is more sensitive than the body. The body can actually withstand harsh conditions compared to, you know, the skin of your face. So I don't recommend you trying this out on your face. All right, please, if you're going to try it out, let it be on your own will. Do not say I recommended this to try on your face. You can only try this, hear me now, you can only try this on your butt, your back, and on your chest. Please do not put it on your face. If you're doing it, it should be on your own terms and condition, because the skin, the facial skin, is very sensitive. For me, I wouldn't put raw Dettol or slightly diluted Dettol on my face because I'm super duper sensitive. I don't know for anyone out there, but I believe that the facial skin of everyone is more sensitive than the body. All right, so please do not do this on your face. Just do it on those areas I mentioned, and you see massive results. If you've tried this out before and it worked for you, why not leave a comment below to encourage other persons who might be in doubt if this works. All right, leave a comment if you've tried it below, and if you intend to try it, leave a comment below to encourage other people to join you in the trial stage. Anything that means, just drop a comment if you're going to try it out. And if you do try it out and it worked for you, do well to come back to this video and drop your comment, because it will be greatly appreciated. Yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Turn on that post notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share. I think I'm saying that for the third time again. But anyhow, we've gotten to the end of this video. I love you all. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.